In Oasys 21, we've added bookmarks to accelerate your post-processing workflow. Bookmarks is a lightweight view of annotations aimed at helping you save interesting model views when checking a simulation before you're ready to add the detail of titles and descriptions. Bookmarks are accessible either through the Bookmarks tab in the Annotations panel or directly by clicking the Bookmarks button in the Tools menu. The simple panel provides a single-click interface. To reload a bookmark, simply click on its thumbnail. To capture the page view to a bookmark, click on the Capture button. This always creates a new bookmark. When you're checking a simulation, you're likely to be using different menus within D3plot. Rather than open the Bookmarks panel each time you want to capture a bookmark, you can simply click the bookmark icon at the right-hand end of the top bar. The current page view will be captured to a new bookmark. Bookmarks and annotations are the same, so you can save them to and retrieve them from annotations files. You can also switch to the Edit tab, where your newly captured bookmarks will be in the annotations list, allowing you to update, move or delete them, and to add titles, descriptions and markers. Thank you for watching.